Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. It's free and it'll help me out a lot. So hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to be making a holographic resin tray, so let's jump in and get started. This mold is from Molds and Shapes. It is huge. I want to say it's 9 inches across. I'm just going in with some magic opal glitter from S Resin. I mixed that in with some clear, and I'm pouring that around the perimeter of the mold. These are super easy to make, great for beginners. I did mix up my resin off camera just to save time, but today I'm using the Liquid Diamonds resin. I'll link it down below along with my coupon code. And I will also link my mixing tutorial down below in the description box. In that video, I show you step by step how to mix your resin, and I do it the same way every single time. So I usually cut it out of my videos. So if you want to see how I mix my resin, be sure to go check out that video. Here I'm just going in with some light blue tinted resin, filling up the mold the rest of the way. And to tint my resin, I like to use resin dye from S Resin. It comes in a pack of like 16 colors. It's great if you just want a slight touch of color. My favorite color to use is the sky blue, which I used on these or on this project. I just added 5 drops, gave it a good mix, filled up the mold all the way. Here I was just popping a few bubbles that I had, and I was just taking my gloved hand and just popping them. Really easy to do because the Liquid Diamonds has hardly any bubbles. Let it dry overnight. Here we are the next day, ready to take it out of the mold. Some of your glitter will float or kind of move towards the center. It just is what it is with glitter. A lot of times it'll float unless you're using like a really thick viscosity resin. It tends to stay in place a little bit better with thicker resins. The Liquid Diamonds is a really thin viscosity. It's like water. So I did have some of the glitter float towards the center, but I actually really love the way it turned out, and I love the look of a little bit of glitter throughout the tray. Here's how it turned out. Super gorgeous. I love, love, love it. And I actually ended up turning this one into a sun catcher. I just took my little drill, drilled a hole in the top in 2 spots, attached my eye screws and my glass crystal beads. Look at how pretty it is in the sunshine. It throws a lot of really pretty rainbows. I have a quick 1-minute video showing step by step how I turn these into sun catchers. You could 100% turn it into a tray. You could attach some tray hardware on there. But I decided I wanted to turn this one into a sun catcher because I knew it would be so pretty in the sunshine. Check it out. When it is in or hanging up, I'd use little command hooks to hang this up, and check out the pattern that it throws on the wall. Super pretty. It's like instant happiness, I feel. I just love, love, love it. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you give this a try. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Naptime Creations, and I will link all the materials I used down below in the description box. And I was trying to show you that it even had the rainbow pattern on my floor. The camera wasn't really picking it up, but it was just so mesmerizing and beautiful in person. I hope you guys are all doing fabulous. Thank you so, so much for watching this video. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments, and I will see you guys soon for another video. Thanks for watching.